Dear students, our topic file organization. File organization is a technique for physically arranging the records of a file on secondary storage devices. Here, RDBMS, we need not design file organization. We need not design file organization, but we select the type of organization and parameters for a table. There are mainly three types of file organization. There are mainly three types of file organization: sequential file organization, indexed file organization, hashed file organization. Sequential file organization. Sequential file organization is the storage of records in a file in sequence according to a primary key value. Here, to locate a particular record, a program must scan the file from the beginning till the record is found. For example, a list of persons in an organization can be a sequence file. A list of operations in an organization can be a sequence file. Generally, sequential files are not used in databases. They are used for files that back up data. Indexed file organization. Indexed file organization is the storage of records either sequentially or non-sequentially with an index that allows software to locate individual records. An index is a table or other data structures used to determine the locations of rows in a file that satisfies some conditions. There are also secondary indexes which are important for supporting many reporting requirements. Here, secondary key is a field or combination of a fields for which more than one record may have the same combination of values. Hashed file organization. Hashed file organization is a storage system in which the address for each record is determined using a hash algorithm. Here, the records are not stored sequentially. Here, the records are not stored sequentially. For these, we use hashing algorithm. Hashing algorithm is a function that converts a primary key value into a relative record number. Relative record number. Hash and indexing can be combined in hash index tables. Hashing and indexing can be combined in a hash index tables. Hash index table is a file organization that uses hashing to a map key into a location in an index. The hash key points to the actually data record. Okay, thank you.